I thought that South Indians prefer curvier women. I was never interested in like dating and all these things. I had to be myself in a language I didn't know. That I want the glamour and I want the seriousness.
How good or how bad are you in singing?
Did you just not see? I'm pathetic.
Who is your favorite in Tamil?
Ajit. I like cricket for cricketers.
Hyra, 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 ba. Hyra, hyra, hey, hey, ba. 40 kg Taj Mahal. எனக்கே இல்லை இன்டர்வியூக்கு வந்திருக்காங்க.
My weight is not 40 kilos.
அதாவது எப்படி இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு யோசித்தோம். இவங்க உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடியே தெரியுமா? திருமணம் எனும் நிக்கா படம் நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? அதில் அவங்க லீட் ரோலில் வந்திருக்காங்க நஸ்ரியா கூடவே. இப்படி பல விஷயங்கள் அவங்க சொன்னாங்க. உங்களுக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு அவங்கள பற்றி தெரியுமோ அதோட கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக தான் எனக்கு தெரியும். அப்போ நீங்கள் எப்படி இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்கும்போது தெரிஞ்சுப்பீங்க. இந்த இன்டர்வியூ முடியும் போது நமக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஃபெமிலியர் ஆகிடுவாங்க அவங்க. வெல்கம் ஹெபா பட்டேல். ஸோ ஹெபா பட்டேல், டிட் யூ ஃபாலோ வாட் ஐ ஸ்போக் இன் தமிழ்?
I understood Thirumanam and Nunika. I
Thirumanam and
understood Nazria.
Okay.
I understood Taj Mahal. I understood 40 kilos.
Hey, good. All the proper nouns you're well versed with. It's very nice. Okay, anyway, I was just saying that she's done a movie called Thirumanam and Nunika. I don't know if people noticed, but still, you're going to become very familiar with the Tamilians once the interview is over.
Oh.
We're very happy to have you for Bosky TV. And can you please tell us what your exact weight is? I said 40 kg Taj Mahal. That's a very popular song in jeans.
I've seen that movie.
Yeah, I reduced from 50. Aishwarya Rai was 50 kg. Supposed to be 50 kg according to that song. I reduced it to 40 kg.
No, keep the original thing. That's my actual weight.
50 kg. Yeah, good, good.
Actually, 52.
Quite heavy, huh? But you don't look it, but. Okay, what about the weighty roles you do? How do you select? How did you come into this field? Was it a long wait or because of this weight?
No, when I got into this, I thought that South Indians prefer curvier women, but my
Let us
bubble
see.
was burst very badly.
Really?
I came in and people called me fat.
Oh, really? They called you fat?
No, I was fat back then.
Oh, really? So, like what Anushka is now doing, putting on 18 to 20 kilos for a film, you started reducing for a film or something?
No. I refused to get any kind of films in the first place.
Oh, really? You got so sad, sick of people calling you fat that you reduced automatically?
Yeah, kind of. I'm like, yeah, okay, whatever.
Yeah, you seem to be a very bubbly character because going by that audio release, that was just one video which I saw of yours, where you were praising everybody. Devi Sri Prasad, oh, I love him, so sweet. Oh, this director Sundar, so Sukumar, I love him so much. That Aero 23 number, that guy sitting there, I love him so much. And all the guys who didn't turn up to this occasion, I love them so much.
I didn't do that. I just praised very specific people for specific reasons.
Who were, responsible for your weight reduction?
No, they were responsible for me getting a title role.
Oh, title role, okay.
I'm very excited about me getting a title role.
Okay, this Kumari 21F sounds a very, very funny title. Is it comedy or is it a serious?
It's a rom-com.
Rom-com. What is a rom-com?
Romantic
A
comedy.
guy called Ram is very calm. Is it that?
No, it's romantic.
A romantic comedy, your romance is always a comedy.
My life is only a comedy.
That's a good one. Anyway, a few lines about that. What is it actually? How does it deal with?
See, I play the title role. She's this girl who's 21 years old and
Is it okay? Can you reveal the subject?
Whatever you can see in the trailer, I'll reveal only that much.
We don't get into a problem with the director.
You can see the trailer. Whatever I say will not include anything extra. I've been trained well to reveal how much I'm supposed to
What? Tell us something about your role.
I play the title girl.
Okay.
See, now I'm showing off again.
Okay, Kumari. So
Yeah.
you're Kumari, and 21F is also you.
No, 21 is my age and my sex is female.
Oh, wow. I thought it's your weight, 21 kgs. No.
See, I should be flattered, but it's fine. I'm happy with 50.
Okay, you're happy with that role?
So the thing is, it's like a modern take on love stories.
Oh,
It's
really?
with the advent of social media, how our relationships have changed, how love has changed, and how earlier things were very
There's something very similar to that, the thing that you did in Tamil, no? Thirumanam and Nika.
I did not even interact with the guy in that movie.
Really?
It was all through the eyes.
You come as the Muslim girl in that.
Yeah.
Heba, one thing I like about you is that you've been talking with me for about 5 to 6 minutes and you've not tossed your hair at the back like this because Normally heroines have their PAs pushing the hair in front and they toss it back as they keep talking. Actually, basically you see, it was real fun, you know.
No, but I recently have been receiving a lot of flack for being very fidgety. So this is like my practice session for trying to be all poised and composed.
See, I don't have a problem like that at all. I don't do that. In any interview, I don't do that.
See, people who don't,
That's
No.
okay. That's okay. That's fine. That's fine. You can hit back.
people
This is-
inside glass houses should not throw
Throw
stones
stones.
at
Good,
others.
Yeah. I'm sure you were the first in class.
Second.
Second, there were 2 students in your class.
No, the first girl was very studious. I wanted fun and studies both.
Okay, tell us something about the fun that you had in class.
I was in a girls' college actually.
Okay, girls' college. We were the last benches, the front benches.
Doesn't matter, girl, wherever you sit, it's the same thing.
That's okay. The fun that you had, making fun of teachers and all that, ragging.
The thing is, people say girls' college tends to be very boring or whatever, but I had a lot of fun because I was never interested in like dating and all these things.
Oh,
At
you
least
were interested in intimidating, I think.
I get intimidated. What? I am going to intimidate anyone. I get intimidated by anybody and everything.
Okay, what is the first reaction of a guy the moment he looks at you?
Am I looking nice?
Until what you've seen?
What is he looking at? Is he looking at my face? Am I being fidgety? Am I being weird? Is he checking me out or is he finding me weird?
Okay. What about the second glance that you've given to a guy? Maybe in the cine field or outside. When does it happen?
It very rarely happens.
Very rarely. So never impressed by any guy.
The thing is, I only don't know what I want from a guy. So even if I look at him, okay, it's like, see, I'm looking at him. I don't know what I want from
But
him.
at least do you figure out what the director wants from you?
No, that is why I always say I'm a director's actor because I don't know what I want. So it's very convenient to put everything on
Okay,
the
how was the
director.
first shot? How long did it last?
In Thiruvannamalai Nikor Kumari.
Okay, which was your first film?
Thiruvannamalai.
Thirumanam, okay, there.
The first show, actually we started off with the song.
Okay.
So I was finding it so weird to dance. It's just but luckily.
More so because you didn't know the language.
No, you know what my
Did-
director did? They, before I could fly down to Chennai, they sent me the lyrics
Okay,
and they told me to by heart it and come.
really.
I by hearted it
You
and
wrote it in English.
yeah.
Okay.
So then after that I learned the song and the only reason why I stood second is because I can learn things
I
very
don't
fast.
trust you. Can you sing that? Then
Cylinder காற்றிலே சிறுகை விரித்தேனே மெஹந்தி வரித்த see I
No, that's an English song.
no it's Tamil
That's a Tamil song.
yeah
Thank God you told me. How good or how bad are you in singing?
did you just not see I'm pathetic and then my director what he did I was like because I had to lip sync a lot he told me no I want you to like get out of this uncomfortable zone so he made the entire crew sit and he made me stand and made me sing the entire song in front of everybody
Yeah, okay.
and they laughed and he told me come back tomorrow you're not going to feel shy and that actually happened.
So you're quite cool and casual.
Yeah, because now I didn't have anything to lose. I was already kind of.
So what about the lip movement and close-ups that you're asked to do? Certain songs you'll have to move your lip according to the lyrics perfectly. Tamil is not such an easy language for you to learn.
It's very difficult. I tried learning, no, but then I saw that Tamil had 210 alphabets. So that okay, bye.
So you're quite comfortable there. Now what about this Telugu film?
Telugu is much more easier, I
It's
think.
easier.
Yeah, I have a better grasp on Telugu than Tamil.
Which is the toughest portion in this movie for you? Is it the songs or the dance lip movement or the acting part of it, emoting?
The problem was in this movie, I had like Sukumar sir repeatedly told me that I have to be the way I am. Like,
Well, that's easy.
yeah, but the only thing was I had to be myself in a language I didn't know.
Okay.
So I had to manage that. So that was the only tricky part.
Who's your tutor in Telugu? Who teaches you the language?
My makeup artist in my head.
Oh, really? And what about the makeup? They forget it. If they keep teaching you the dialogues, who does the makeup for you?
No, my makeup artist is very stubborn.
Oh, really?
If I interact with him in English, he'll reply in Telugu.
Oh,
If I tell him
lovely.
to ask me questions in English, he'll still talk to me in Telugu only.
Okay, then.
So he's like, now my way or the highway. So you talk to me in Telugu, otherwise you don't talk to me.
Okay, then what are your future plans in Tamil? What is the next step?
Thing was, I've been like immediately after Thiruvannamalai, I got things in Telugu back to back.
See, now that you don't know the language, Tamil language, you have a very bright chance of entering the Tamil field. Most of the heroines don't know Tamil. So you have a very bright chance in Tamil. Have you started exploring your possibilities there?
I
You
don't.
started meeting people?
I have been meeting.
Oh,
It's
who
just that
are?
I've been busy.
Hmm.
So I've kept this
I see. Who is your favorite in Tamil?
Ajit. I like the way he looks actually.
You're enamored by his personality.
Yeah, him and who else am I enamored by? And Shiva Karthikeyan.
Shiva Karthikeyan. Oh, what about Hindi?
Salman Khan.
What
and
made you not go into Bollywood and come to Tollywood?
my mom and aunt.
They didn't want you to go to Bollywood.
No, because they thought that it's going to be too much of a struggle, and then they said that like they wanted me to strike out a balance between having a normal life and doing the things that I'm doing. So in South you do whatever and you come back to Bombay and then you lead
By
a
any
normal.
chance, are you a Kathak or Bharatanatyam dancer? So
No,
much
I
of
just have a lot of hand movements.
hand movements. Oh, did you have to do any fights in the movie?
No, I just have to slap 2-3 people in the movie.
Slap 2-3 people.
Yeah.
That he needn't have taught you, no? Because you're used to it. People who Eve tease you and you do it.
Nobody teases me.
Nobody does it. Really? And you're worried about it.
Yeah, well, it feels good, no, that you're being Eve teased.
Is it because you look boyish?
No, because either I come across as not interested or I don't know what.
Okay. So how do you foresee your future in the cine field?
I see it as very bright, hopefully.
Very good, good. But because you're quite bubbly, you're not bothered about what I'm asking, you're not coming prepared and all that. And what are the roles that you would like to do? What sort of roles? You'll automatically say bubbly role because you're that type.
No, well, I want to be taken seriously as an actor, but at the same time, I want all the commercial elements to be there.
Okay.
I just don't want to be in the movie only to fill in the frame,
Okay.
but at the same time, I don't want to be very serious and de-glam and all of that. I want the glamour and I want the seriousness.
You're prepared for both.
I want both at the same time.
Okay, what is your fitness regime now? You were bothered about your 50 kg Taj Mahal, 40 kg Vani Mahal and all that. So how good are you in your gym workout and all that?
I don't work out.
You don't work out?
I don't
You're
like
blessed with a slim figure.
Mashallah.
Okay. Okay, then seriously you don't want to go to the gym and all that?
I did when I wanted to lose weight, then I lost weight and then I started controlling my diet, then became.
And what about your interest in games? Don't say video games. Games like cricket, hockey, football and all that.
No.
Cricket?
I like Irfan Pathan, that's cricket for me.
You like cricketers. I'm asking you about the game.
No, I like cricket for cricketers.
For cricketers. So Irfan Pathan.
No, I like Virendra Sehwag, then he got married, then I was very heartbroken, then I liked Irfan Pathan.
So you're searching for bachelor cricketers.
No, I want good looking cricketers.
Cricketers. Very nice. And how good were you in, you said second in your class. And no sports in school also.
No, that never interested me.
What about movie watching?
Like, that was my favorite time pass.
Favorite. And still you managed to come second in class.
See, the thing is,
Probably your lecturer was coming to the theatre and teaching you lessons.
no. I'm a late sleeper. And the thing is, my mother is very strict with all these things. Every day, whatever nonsense you want to do, but 1.5 hours every day you give for that. Otherwise, she'll not let you do other things in peace. So the only reason I used to score well is because otherwise she would irritate.
Really? And now she's okay with your entering the cine field and acting and all?
No, we had a pact. If I score well, if I finish my studies on time, then she'll let me do.
That was the agreement?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like win-win situation for both of us.
And what did she say for your acting and all that? How was the feedback?
She's happy. Initially she was like, are you sure? Now she's very happy.
She's happy.
Yeah.
You're shaping up well.
Yeah, like it's shaping up the way I wanted it.
Now, how are your fans feeling? Have you developed the fan base and all that?
I don't know if I
On
have
the
fans.
net?
I don't know. I hope I do. I have not.
The moment you flash your photograph, you'll get a dozen likes immediately.
Yeah, that I do.
How many likes?
Depends on my pictures.
Depends. So we are eagerly waiting to have you in Bollywood in a very nice role. There are a lot of North Indians, so many Keralites, people from Bombay coming and making it big. So we eagerly look forward to your re-entry rather.
Thank you.
Anything you have to ask?
Why are you wearing those glasses?
No, that's because I'll tell you basically, I'm very good at sleepwalking and sleep talking.
And not sleeping.
Yeah, we woke up almost at around 3:30 in the morning. This is the third interview for the day. I'm talking in my sleep. I don't want you to know that. So with the glasses, you won't know. That's why. Why did you become so silent? Okay, one song finally before we wind
No,
up.
I'm not singing. I'm not singing.
Sure.
You sing.
No, I'm a very poor singer. I sang those 2 lines exclusively for you. That 40 kg Taj Mahal. It's a compliment because Aishwarya Rai is a 50 kg Taj Mahal. You're less than that. You said you're less than that.
No.
No, you're more than that. Anyway, great talking to you. Wish you
Thank
great
you.
luck. All the best.
Thank you.
ரொம்ப வெரி ஹேண்ட்ஃபுல் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு தான் லாங்குவேஜில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கலாம். நான் ஒன்றுமே சொல்லப்பட்டேன். ஐம் நாட் அ ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் டீச்சர் அட் ஆல். 40 minutes கிளாஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா அதில் வந்து 40 minutes கிளாஸ் இருக்கக்கூடாது.
மாடு வந்து பால் கொடுக்குதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா?
Okay.
பால் கொடுக்கல, நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம். டிசிப்ளின் நமக்கு முதல்ல என்ன இருக்கு? நம்ம டாக்ஸ்லயோ
என்ட்ரிங்ல நீங்க மனுஷனுக்கு டோட்டலா எது இருக்கீங்க போல
எல்லா பக்கமும் யூரினேட் பண்றோம், எல்லா பக்கமும் துப்புறோம். And we talk about animals. இல்ல ஏன் சிங்கத்தோடயே விளையாட கூடாது?
சூப்பர்.